Right, welcome back. Richard again, painter. That's very, very low. Lift that up a bit. There we go. Stand properly there. Right, so we're just mixing some more epoxy for the. Spin that around. For the purple MG, which is charming. So we've done the car. You'd have seen that already. If you haven't, go and have a look. So now we've got the bonnet, tailgate, 2 doors. I believe I spoke about already the driver's door. We fitted a new skin on that this morning, so that's all done now. I will show you when I get in there. Just mixing this. Bit of boring information for you, but it's always good. It might sound pretty obvious, but make sure you scrape the sides when you're mixing. Bit more epoxy there, look. That's that. Pop that back in there. Clean. Right, so grab the gun. Excuse the noise, by the way. It is a working body shop, so might see about getting one of them microphones, might help, so you can hear me properly. I think the GoPro one's pretty good anyway, but as I like to say, room for further improvement most of the time. So right, that's that. Now we've already cleaned the panels. We've already blown them off, cleaned them all, degreased them. So we'll just have a quick double check. I'll show you that the door skin when we get in there, and yeah, I'll meet you in the booth. Right, back again. So we've got everything set up in here. I'm on this rock. Let's go. Get that sorted out. So we've hooked the doors up. So we cleaned everything off as best we can for now. Going to get it all sealed up into epoxy. That's the inside of that. So this one, we've bare metaled the outside, but the inside was pretty good original paint. So we didn't go quite as mental on that one. This door actually, this one's had the new door skin. You see it's black. Blue on the back there. So what we've done, I think I've explained it already. Hopefully you can hear me alright. I brought it in with me just to show you. So this is the old door skin. And if you remember my old video about not touching bare metal, there's a localised area of flash rust. Is basically somebody's probably had their hands on it. So we fitted the new door skin. You hammer that round. I've just keyed that up. Basically gone over it with an 80 grit just to make sure it's all covered properly. Everything's been 80 gritted and cleaned. And yeah, I'm going to get my mask on, and then we'll put some epoxy on. Well, I have checked, by the way, as well, as we were talking about it as well in the last video, panel temperature. Plenty warm enough. We don't want any moisture stuck on the panel. Completely clean, nice and warm. Right, I'll get my mask on, see if that'll stand there. Try to anyway. deja vu, back in here again. So I've done that now. I will show you around in a second, just so I wash the gun out quickly. So again, we've made sure, if you didn't hear me in there, near enough gone. So yeah, we've had a door skin. I've just flicked a load of epoxy all inside the door skin and that as well. You'll notice that the sound deadener for those eagle-eyed people isn't on yet. So normally what I do is I'll get it all coated and then I'll put the sound deadening pad back on the door skin afterwards, just so everything's coated properly. Yeah, then they can come out. I'll leave them in there for today, but they can come out tomorrow. We can start the filler work on them, get them into high build primer then. Sorry, epoxy, then high build primer. I want them sealed in. So we'll get all that done, and hopefully for you it might be the next video. There might be a primer video and a prep video and a bit of paint. So hopefully next video you might see a bit of paint. Right, so I'll carry on washing this out and then I'll walk you around in the booth and just show you what we've done quick. Right, me again. So as you just saw, wash the gun out. So these are all drying now. So like I said on the last video, you can see certain things. Just see that there. You can see dents. Let's get that carried. Let's put some on the back. That's the sound deadening pad. It's not on the other one yet because